Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to learn how to use linked list data structure in Dart programming language. It is little bit twisted, so we have to understand it first. So for that, I'm creating this program and I say linked list.dart. Once again, we are creating a function main. Now, for creating a linked list, we have to create a class. If you don't know class, you can leave this video and later on I will explain the class also, so then you can join this video again. But if you want to understand and you have a little bit knowledge of class, because I will use a small you can say 2 and 3 line of code for class, because without a class we can't use linked list in Dart. So I'm here creating a link list value. I'm giving a name, remember? So I say link list value like this and extend this with link list entry, you see, and I have to pass here LL value. This is the rule here. Then this is, you see, and it will say explain you have to create a base class, final class or seal class. So I say it is a base class. Now I create one value here. I say value means the variable here, and you see it non-nullable instance of this, no problem at all. Then I say LL value constructor here, and I say this dot value, remember. Then I have to override toString. So I say string to string, function is there, then arrow function, and I say value dot toString, value dot toString like this. So this is the function toString that we have to override. Remember that is similar to Java. In Java also we have a toString function that will display the value of object like this. So as a object of this class we will add the entry in linked list. Here I'm adding only one value, but you can increase the value whatever you want, and those all value will be passed in a constructor. So now I can create linked list. For that I say linked list like this. Here I pass the value that is LL value, and I give here list data equal to, then I say linked list. Here I say print list data. Try to execute it, Dart run. So this is empty right now. Now you can insert values also in this linked list. So I say list data dot, we have add. So in add I can specify linked LL value like this, and I pass here 10, then I pass 20 like this, and I run it. You see 10 and 20, these are the constructor of this class. Like this we are creating an object of a class and we are passing this. So these are the anonymous object we are passing here in a linked list. And we can also list dot add first, we can use here in linked list if you want to add at the first position. Then same function are there, clear, contain element at first, and for each, for checking empty, not empty, iteratable, we can convert to map. You see each and everything is there whatever you require in a linked list. Then we have a remove also, list data dot, we have remove also if you want to remove, and this is a bool type, remember this is a bool type. So you can specify, I say remove from the first position, you see generating an error because it required LL value, remember. So how we can remove this? For that, suppose I create a object, I say var, I say info equal to LL value, I say 30 here. Then I insert this data dot add, and I say here info like this. Now I can pass this info, remember, because I know object of this, so I can try to remove it. But before removing this I want to print also that it is inserted or not. So you see that if I run it, so we have 30, and then after that it has been removed because we are passing the object, the address of the object which you want to remove from the linked list. So similar to that we have more method. You see reduce also we have. Reduce function is similar to the function which available in JavaScript or Java also. So I will explain later on about more information about those functions, but here I am concentrating only on linked list. So you can create linked list like this. Remember that these values within a linked list cannot be a normal value, it should be a class that is a subclass of LinkedListEntry. Remember that. So this is all about linked list in Dart programming language. I think you are learning it. If you are learning, you are happy, please contribute to me also. Share this video, like this video, and do subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.